Today, for our mindful minutes, we are going to take a five senses walk.
Our five senses are our sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste.
Sometimes taking a walk and noticing what's around us can help us refocus our brains and our bodies. Let's go outside for our five senses walk. When we go on a five senses walk, we use our five senses to notice what's around us. We use our sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste to notice everything going on. Practice taking deep breaths as you go on your five senses walk. Let's try it. First, notice what you can touch around you. If you're walking, you feel that grass under your feet. Next, notice what you can see around you. Next, notice what you can smell around you. Next, notice what you hear. Next, notice what you can taste. Did you feel the breeze blowing on your face? Did you smell the grass outside? Did you see a flower or an animal? All of those things help you refocus your brain so that you can feel your best. Wow, that five senses walk really helped my brain and my body. Remember that you can use your five senses to refocus anytime you need, inside, outside, in school, or at home. That's today's Mindful Minutes or five senses walk. Remember that we have a mindful menu of 12 different strategies to try. You can get a copy of this in email or picture form from your teacher. Bye, penguins. Remember that these are mindful strategies to help you notice your brain and body to feel your best.